Here are all the ANA aircraft here at Tokyo Narita. So we're still taxiing to our gate. It must be, they have quite a bit of gates. So like gate 80 something, and we kept going around and around. I guess this is our gate over here. Yeah. And then I have the next flight. And the next flight after that. Continental 777. I wonder if we're pulling into the gate. Taxiing very close to the building. You can just see all the reflections of the airplanes off the building. Oh look, there's our plane. It says United on it. That's pretty cool. You can see our plane as we taxi. See a Continental plane, United plane, Continental plane, United plane, and I guess we might be pulling up to our gate or something. This is pretty neat. Yep, we're here. Alright.